Welcome to this tutorial on Procurement IQ, formerly known as IBIS World Procurement Reports. This tutorial will cover how to access Procurement IQ, what information is available, and how to do a search. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Procurement IQ is on this list. This is the homepage for Procurement IQ. Procurement IQ is a collection of procurement research reports in more than 1,000 areas designed to help businesses make better purchasing decisions. For first-time users, we recommend either browsing a list of reports by clicking All Reports or using the search option. Let's do a search for call center services. Results can be filtered by report type on the left. Once you've selected a report, the initial page of the report serves as an introduction to what you'll find within the report and will also discuss related reports and coding. These tabs at the top will help you navigate through different areas of the report. Under Report Overview, you'll find key information including buyer power score, key price drivers, and major vendors. The remaining tabs have been broken down into stages such as Assess Opportunity, where you can find information on key trends and price drivers, Develop Business Requirements, where you can find the total cost of ownership, as well as related and substitute goods, and Implement and Measure, where you'll find key quality factors and a buying decision scorecard. You can use the buttons located in the upper left corner of the page to download, print, or search the report. Each tab also includes a PDF cheat sheet you can download. Each of these cheat sheets include key questions that correspond to the section of the report you're viewing. Now you know how to access Procurement IQ, what information is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.